Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Nest WiFi Pro router, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by unboxing your Nest WiFi Pro router. Take note of the power adapter and Ethernet cable included in the package. Place your router in a central location, ideally elevated and away from walls. Plug the power adapter into the router and connect it to a power outlet. Use the Ethernet cable to connect the router to your modem if you have a separate modem. Download the Google Home app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet. Sign in with your Google account or create a new one if you don't have one. Once logged in, tap on the plus sign to add a new device. Select Setup Device from the menu options. Choose New Devices to start the setup process. The app will search for nearby devices. Select your Nest WiFi Pro when it appears. Follow the prompts to name your Wi-Fi network. Create a password for your Wi-Fi connection. The app will guide you through connecting the router to the internet. Once connected, the app will suggest optimal placement for additional access points if you have them. Configure any additional settings, such as parental controls or guest networks. Wait for the app to confirm that your setup is complete. You can now connect your devices to the new Wi-Fi network using the name and password you created. Lastly, ensure your router's firmware is up to date for optimal performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.